Hello everybody, welcome to G6 Landscaping. My name's Nick and I would like to explain to you my company. We're all about landscaping freedom. A little bit about us is, at G6 we're all about honest and efficient work. We have become a reputable and well-known lawn care service. Our quality team is up for every job, managing projects with the skill and experience our clients have come to expect. We want our customers to be satisfied with our work, which is why we provide open communications throughout the duration of each project. On to our services. What we provide is simple. We provide lawn mowing, weed whacking, snow plow services, and fall and spring cleanup services. To get a little bit in depth about our lawn mowing service, it's good to understand that we are committed to getting the job done, especially when it comes to your lawn. You can count on us to be professional, timely, efficient, and make sure you're 100% satisfied every step of the way. And if you need to get in touch with one of our geniuses in regards to lawn mowing, all you have to do is select this tab right here and click Get in Touch. Now on to weed whacking. In order to get rid of those pesky weeds, we use top-of-the-line weed whackers with guys that know how to use them. And if you need to get in touch with one of our geniuses there, you just hit Get in Touch button, like so. You click, and it brings you to the page. Now, back to fall and spring cleanup. When it comes to fall and spring cleanup, that includes mulching, bedding, and removal of leaves. This is something we all don't want to have to deal with. So leave it up to us. We're the professionals. We'll get it done 100% quality. Now on to our CEO. His name's Jake Provencher. He's the founder of G6 Landscaping. Jake says that we are here to change the world and change the way it takes care of their lawns by providing those in need with everything a healthy lawn needs. We provide a cost-effective, professional, and local lawn care service that we 100% guarantee or your money back. Now, if you would want to work for us, to apply for us, you must come to our website, go to this page, and you enter in your email, your telephone number, your name, and your address, attached with your resume. One of our people in HR will reach out to you as soon as possible. Well, thank you for your interest. This wraps up our presentation. Thank you. Have a good night.